With the evolution of technology, scams are becoming increasingly sophisticated. Here are some quick tips to help you recognize the basic signs of a scam. Commonly known as an imposter scam, scammers may pretend to be from a trusted agency or organization to gain your trust. Fraudsters will typically try to grab your attention one of two ways. They will present a problem that needs urgent attention, often threatening legal action or arrest if you do not act quickly. Or they will claim you won a large prize, requesting that you click on a link or share personal information in order to claim it. No matter their approach, scammers will communicate with urgency in an effort to get you to act quickly and without thinking. Don't fall for this scheme. Take a moment to pause, consider the validity of the request, and act accordingly. Another way to pinpoint fraudulent communication is the language used in the communication. For example, is the greeting very general? Are there any typos, slang, or abbreviations used in a communication from someone claiming to represent a reputable organization or business? Additionally, if logos are featured in the communication, you should examine them closely. Are they incorrect, blurry, or pixelated? You can never be too careful when it comes to suspicious links. When in doubt, do not click on links received in unsolicited communication. Similarly, never open unexpected attachments. Both links and attachments can allow scammers to gain access to personal information stored on your device. It is imperative that you remain vigilant to protect yourself and your finances from fraud. By staying informed, you are much more likely to recognize the signs of a scam. Remember, we are here to help. If you have questions, please contact our fraud department at 989-754-6575 or email fraud@team1cu.org.